Let's understand a very interesting concept called the grandfather paradox. But to understand that, we must first ask ourselves, what is time? Time, according to physics, is a very mysterious phenomenon. Imagine time like a river that flows in one direction, from the past through the present and into the future. That is exactly how we experience it. But physics, especially Einstein's theory of relativity, sees time a bit differently. Here's what physics says: time is not separate from space. Together, they make up a fabric called space time. Just like you can move through space, you also move through time. You are doing it right now. According to relativity, time is not absolute. It can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you are moving or how close you are to something with a lot of gravity, like a black hole. So, time is not just a ticking clock, it's a flexible, stretchable dimension woven into the universe itself. Now, let's take this weirdness and turn it up a notch. The grandfather paradox, a time travel puzzle. Let us say you invent a time machine. You travel back to the year 1950. Your mission is to stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If you succeed, what happens? A paradox is created. If your grandfather never meets your grandmother, then your parent is never born. And if your parent is never born, you are never born. But wait, you were the one who traveled back in time. If you don't exist, how could you have gone back in time to stop your grandfather? This is the grandfather's paradox. Why is it important? This paradox exposes a logical contradiction in the idea of time travel to the past. If the past can be changed, it may erase the cause of the change itself, creating a loop with no consistent outcome. What do scientists say about this? Some theories say that time travel to the past is impossible exactly because of such paradoxes. Other theories, like the many worlds theory, say that if you do go back in time, you might create a new timeline where your grandfather never met your grandmother, but your original timeline remains intact. Another idea is the Novikov self consistency principle, which says that you can go back in time, but you will not change anything in the way which creates a paradox. Events will magically conspire to stop you. So, to wrap it up, time in physics is a flexible part of the universe, not a strict ticking clock. Your grandfather, the grandfather's paradox, shows why messing with the past creates big logical problems. Time travel to the future may be possible in theory by going very fast or near black holes. Time travel to the past is still a huge mystery, and paradoxes like these are the reason why it is so mysterious and sounds impossible. Thank you so much for listening.